Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export source code files from Lovable AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now the first thing you want to do, once you're inside your project, there's actually two ways of doing this. So you want to either click on this code viewer up here, and then you can go through every single one of these, and you can just essentially copy them. So you can just copy it and then paste it inside one of your programs, one of your editors on your computer, and that will work. However, if you want a bit more convenient way of actually exporting, what you can do is I would recommend you go up here where you can see it says sync your project to GitHub. Click on that and click connect GitHub. And then over here again, you want to connect GitHub, and you'll see it's going to open up in a new window over here. You will have to essentially just authorize this. There we go. And then after a few seconds, you're going to get redirected over here. And yet again, you're going to just have to wait a bit there we go. It's just basically done itself. So here, as you can see, it's going to say you have to link your workspace. And then once you basically do this, you can just either quit out or you can just add that. And after you do this, you have to first connect the project. Okay. So, as I said, once your GitHub is connected, you will have to then connect the project as well, and then you'll have to add your organizations over here. So if I just go over here, you'll then have to basically install and authorize for all repositories or just for the selected ones. This is completely up to you. And then you'll have to put in your password for your sign-in inside your GitHub account. There we go. And then this is going to start connecting again. And then you can press continue over here, and then you can press connect. So once you actually do this, once you press connect, there we go. Here, you'll see the view button. You should click on this view button over here, and it's going to open up your GitHub. Now inside the GitHub, you'll see this is now your basically cloned repository, which was connected from Lovable. And you want to just click on code over here, click on download zip, and then this is going to download a zip folder of your entire code over here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So that's basically how you can export source code files from Lovable AI. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.